Hi, my name is Yusuf and I'm a mechanical engineering student in the University of Wollongong in Dubai. And right now I'm working on my thesis project which talks about desert sand, harvesting and sintering and then storing it in a storage system. So basically, desert sand cannot be used for construction right away. So it needs to be sintered and then stored in a storage place in order for it to be used in the form of concrete so that it could be able to be sustainable and used in engineering and designing of buildings. So the reason desert sand cannot be used for construction of buildings, it is because the sand particles that are in the desert sand, it's too smooth and it's too small for it to be able to compound together in the formation of concrete. So it needs to be sintered, which is done by using solar panels and Fresnel lenses in order to heat the sand to a particular melting point for it to be combined with the other sand particles so that it would create a bigger grain. So for one of the objectives of the project, I have to create a truck that would do the sintering and the harvesting and the storing of the sand. So right now I'm designing the truck base, the truck chassis and the truck bed for it to be able to maintain and hold the sintering machines and the harvesting machines. So one of the problems that I have been facing was actually printing the truck bed. As you can see over here, it's too big and it won't be able to, like the 3D printer won't be able to print it, since first of all it will use a lot of 3D filament, and the size of the 3D printer is not as big as I wanted it to be in order for it to build the whole bed completely. So I will have to cut it into singular components and print them out separately, which will take more time and more effort, but by that way it could solve my problem.